Ready to go? Let's go.
Hello! We have more people here. Hello! We confess we've been drinking. Yes, we do. Have you been playing tennis? I do confess.
I know. That's a confession, girl. Just kind of lame. Confess some really awesome, awful stuff that you did in your life.
Oh, they didn't. My dog ate my sister's sunglasses, and I never told that my dog ate her sunglasses. I told her she just lost.
What kind of a dog you have?
She likes to chew everything. Okay. My sister does not see that because she doesn't know.
I don't think so.
Something else. You can do better, man.
Dog ate her.
You should tell us confession.
Yeah.
What?
They're my confessions for things. You should sing.
I don't have any confessions to make.
Yeah, me neither.
That
I never said what I did.
Yeah, just bad one.
What can we drink?
Right? What? They're my
Day
confessions.
And you just have 2 minutes, girl.
You will have to meet girl.
No, you have just 2 minutes, girl.
Oh, I know. I guess it's fast.
That's a confession. That dog eats sunglasses. Come on, you don't have any
Dirty
real
one.
stuff where you stab someone in the back or you steal his bike or whatever.
No.
Oh my god, the mad girl. So cool.
I stole my sister's bag, but then she found out and she stole it back.
She's here.
And I never managed to wear it.
You know, the funniest thing was when I was in Valencia, I went there for Erasmus exchange, right? Where? Valencia, Spain. Spain, right?
Well,
And they, Valencia. And they, my